sir.
I have the right to remain silent.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure you're not deaf. What was that?
Matthew McKay.
Okay.
Should you maybe take the rifle, or...
Yeah, I'll be doing that.
Tossing this out there didn't kill you. I could have, but it didn't.
Be advised, Dawson is wanted.
Dawson.
Okay, sir. I'm gonna unrestrain you. You're still
Buddy
shackled
joined
to
your
the
channel.
ground. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Okay, you're still shackled to the ground, and your hands
Yeah, I know.
Are
I know. I'll
handcuffed to the. Yeah, you
you
can't use the gun, you know. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Okay. What am I
Don't
doing?
don't shoot. Don't shoot. Okay, your mask too.
It's allergy season.
I have nose plugs. Okay.
There we go.
No, no. No, didn't mean to do that.
Did I just hear someone get tased?
Probably.
Police brutality. Police brutality. He's got a gun.
That was a nice gun.
It was a nice gun. And that was the first time I'd ever shot it, but I decided not to kill you because I don't want to go to jail for murder. And I'm
That's a
sure you
good
have a
idea.
family.
Yeah. Alright, just sit tight.
Can I reach my mask? I can kind of bend over and grab it with my mouth. My mask. Please. I can reach it with my mouth if I bend over just right. They left me naked in a room.
No, I'm here.
Not even in a chair, just standing in a corner over here.
Okay, pick up your clothes.
My mask. You don't know who I am.
David
Call me.
Jones,
You can
pick
call
up
me.
your
You can
clothes.
call me El Dorado.
Mr. Jones, please pick up your clothes.
El Dorado. I
No, that's unfortunate. Okay, so why'd you do it?
I'm clinically insane.
We know you did it. Why'd you do it?
I'm clinically insane.
Okay. There's a nice, insane asylum inside the,
I would like to be
jail.
released into the custody of my lawyer.
No, we can't do that.
Can
Who-
you get my lawyer
who's your
here?
lawyer again?
Matthew McKay. I know that there's someone watching over there. Do you like this?
I don't think there is.
Is this what gets you off? Watching a naked man that, well, formerly
clothes
naked
now.
man get arrested?
Yeah, they're just lowering it. Okay, sit tight while I get your lawyer. So for it's
I hear him.
probably, the lawyer.
You can't keep him from me.
Okay, Charger.
And it was a stolen
Sir,
car.
did you lose a Dodge Charger?
Well, now I know that I did.
User
Okay.
entered your channel.
Was it stolen or did you
Douchebag.
want
Oh
to
Oh my
use it?
god, what happened?
You, out there. One that's
Okay, I
being
guess I'll
arrested.
steal
You're a
one.
douchebag. I liked that car.
Okay.
I should have robbed you when I had the chance.
Okay, so is there nothing else?
I don't think so, no. Can I talk to him one last time?
Sure.
Okay. Hi, David. Okay, so this is gonna be a $10,000 fine for my services, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you don't pay within 5 minutes, your services will be denied and you'll
User in
automatically
your
go to
channel
jail,
timed
probably.
out.
Okay. Hello?
There.
Oh,
User
thank you.
entered your channel.
Okay, have a good day.
Okay.
What the hell's happening?
Is that all you need, officer?
Yep.
Okay.
Interview commencing
Okay,
at
have a good day.
6:26:59
Leave a positive
p.m.
feedback on Yelp for me. Okay, I'm trying to get my bar exam completed right now.
Wait, what?
I know, right? I don't even have my lawyer's license yet.
Your lips are moving.
You lied to
You
me.
hear me now?
No.
So you hired a man without a license.
You're speaking.
Oh my god.
User in your channel timed out.
That was weird.
What's gonna happen to me? What's gonna happen?
So after speaking with your lawyer, we decided that Joe would be the best bet for you, since we have medical personnel in there that can help you out.
You bastard.
You hired a very
User
bad
entered
lawyer.
your